Welcome to this introduction to the distance learning course, The Mechanics of International Trade Finance. Firstly, a little about myself. My name is Stephen Jones and I am the course director. By way of background, I've been involved in trade finance for more than 40 years. I've worked in trade operations, sales and risk management for 3 large banks in the United Kingdom. I continue today as a trade finance practitioner, handling letters of credit for my corporate clients, designing and delivering training courses to banks around the world, and also writing books on trade and receivables finance. So, why is this course relevant to you? Well, firstly, I'm passionate about trade finance because it's about providing real solutions to importers and exporters who are exposed to risk and who may have financing needs which cannot be accommodated by conventional bank lending. A big challenge in the field of trade finance is that knowledge is concentrated in only a small number of specialist bank personnel. It's the aim of this programme to make this knowledge accessible and available to a much wider cross-section of banking professionals. So, what's in the course? Well, whether you are completely new to trade finance or already have some experience but want to broaden, deepen or refresh your knowledge, this course will be relevant to you. The course uses building blocks where we start with the foundations of international trade and what trade finance is, and progress from there developing awareness, understanding, and skills in the products and financing techniques. We begin by appreciating the conflicting needs of the exporter and the importer, and how this gives rise to the need for trade finance. You will learn how international trade works, the risks that exporters, importers and banks are exposed to, the nature and importance of trade documentation, and the difference between trade services, trade finance and structured trade finance. We then move on to look at each of the trade products, the mechanics of how each of these operate, why and when they should be used, how to structure their terms to mitigate risk for the importer, exporter and the bank, and how they're financed. Once we have covered the trade products and financing techniques in some detail, we move on to structured trade finance and commodity finance, and how these enable banks to provide greater levels of financial support to their clients. The course uses written text, diagrams, video tutorials where I talk you through the mechanics and techniques supported by a slide presentation. There are also case studies and multiple choice questions at the end of each module so that you can test yourself on the knowledge that you have gained. So what are the key course takeaways? Well, the aim of this course is to equip you with increased awareness and understanding which will help you to better support your clients by using real new practical tools and techniques to assess and handle trade transactions and deliver the best possible solutions for your clients and your bank. This course will also help you to converse more confidently with clients and colleagues on international trade finance. So what makes this course so unique? Well, the contents of this course are based upon my practical experience gained in the banking and corporate environment over many years. Distance learning provides the benefit of being able to pick up and work through the materials when it best suits you and at your own pace. It is therefore a great and flexible alternative to classroom training. The range of training media used on this course keeps it interesting and enables you to easily acquire knowledge and skills. This course provides the benefits of distance learning, but also creates a classroom feel. You'll be able to raise questions or seek clarification from me on a one-to-one basis as we progress through the course. Additionally, we have a forum that can be used to raise questions or to discuss and share issues and solutions with each other. There is a choice of 2 pathways with this distance learning course. You can either complete the course, satisfied that you have increased your knowledge and acquired real practical skills that you can take into the workplace, or additionally, complete an assignment which will be assessed. Those that pass the assignment will be awarded a prestigious full postgraduate certificate from Middlesex University. I very much look forward to working with you on this 16-week program and sharing with you my knowledge, experience and passion for trade finance.